Hi, welcome to Fuel Time. I'm Erwin Tesler and I'm your host. We're here at Just Dashes and we're going to see how your collector car interior, dash pads and other trim parts are restored. So come on in and let's take a look. Step 1, inspection and preparation. After we receive your part, we determine how we're going to repair it. As you can see, this part is in need of some serious repair. We're going to grind down all the deteriorated vinyl and foam. Step 2, applying the new foam. After grinding off the old dried brittle plastic and foam, we're going to apply this new foam, which is a polyethylene closed cell high density foam, much better than what the original was. Step 3, hand shaping. After the foam is applied, the parts are hand shaped and sanded to exact factory specifications and will fit back in your vehicle perfectly. Step 4, applying the adhesive. We use an environmentally friendly adhesive to glue the vinyl skin to the foam molded part. Step 5, applying the vinyl skin. After applying the adhesive, we're going to use our thermo vacuum forming process to apply the vinyl to your part. Step 6, trimming and finishing. After the vinyl has been applied using the thermo vacuum forming process, the excess vinyl is then trimmed at the edges and then folded over and glued. Step 7, applying the color. After the part comes from the trimming department, the correct factory color or custom color is applied to the part. Step 8, quality control inspection. After the restoration is completed, each part is thoroughly inspected by a quality control supervisor prior to being returned to the customer. Step 9, packaging and shipping. After the parts have been thoroughly inspected, the finished parts are carefully wrapped and boxed for safe delivery. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to contact Just Dashes and mention Fuel Time. The first 50 people will receive Just Dashes exclusive vinyl life preserver. I hope you've learned something here at Just Dashes. Now you know where to send your parts for restoration, and don't forget to check out the show notes at gimp.tv/fuel time.